Welcome to another Come Dine With Me. If you're anything like me, you're probably missing a night out. But never fear, I've got the solution for that. I'm going to show you how to have a girls' night out, but at home. I need to change first. Much better. Right, let's get started. I'm going to make 3 different cocktails for my girls' night out in my house. And the first one I'm going to make is one I've made before. It's really easy. It's called a breakfast martini. So, amazing. Here are all my ingredients. That was like magic. The first thing you have to do is get a lemon. Any lemon will do. And you have to roll it out on the table to just squeeze all the juice out. Once the lemon has been thoroughly massaged, we are going to chop this baby up. Ooh. Spillage is leakage. I've cut it into 5 really wonky wedges, but these will work, trust me. You get your Boston shaker and you're going to squeeze all this delicious lemon juice right into it. Whew. Sticky work. And then you're going to get your marmalade. I know, but trust me. Marmalade isn't just good for your toast. It's great in a breakfast martini. And you're going to take 1 tablespoon and you're just going to glug it in there. I might do a bit more. I really like marmalade. Next up, we have sugar syrup. If you don't have it, that's fine because it's a weird thing to just own. You can make sugar syrup, literally just dissolve sugar in a small amount of water very slowly until it liquefies. Do not let it caramelize because it will just burn and taste horrible. I'm just gonna add a little drizzle. Oops. Okay, that was more than I intended, but it's fine. It all tastes good, I promise. And then I've got a bottle of gin, Gordon's standard house party fare. I'm gonna count for 3 seconds. I'm free pouring because I don't have a little shot pourer. It's probably enough. And now I need to add some ice into here. And then we're gonna get some ice cubes. And now we're ready to shake it up.
Tequila Chapter representing UK is about to perform her routine Shake It Up for the judges.
Ooh, I don't know how bartenders do this. And then you and that's how you make a breakfast martini. Cheers! How about this next? I'm gonna make a mojito, but not as you know it. Mojito time, but not as you know it, as I said. I'm gonna make mojitos with Jager. I know what Jager makes you think of. It makes you think of uni days out, Red Bull, too many drinks, but Jager makes a really wonderful mojito and I'll show you how to do it. First up, you're gonna roll out the juice in your limes and then you cut them up into little lime wedges. Perfect. Get your glasses and then we're going to squeeze the lime into the glasses and drop the wedges in. Woo. Okay. Then you're going to get your mint leaves and you are going to pluck these suckers off the stalk. You need about 8 leaves per glass and then keep that for garnish. This mint has been very bad and we are going to give it a little slap. You have to slap it to get the oils out. It's nothing weird. It really does heighten the flavour of your mojito. It smells so good. In you go. Sugar, it's dark brown and soft. You're going to take just a little spoonful, another little spoonful. Might as well finish it. Then you're going to take this. This is a litre of Jager. Obviously, I'm not expecting you to have a litre of Jager in your house. You're going to pour for about 3 seconds. And now we need to stir all those wonderful flavours in together. And now we're going to add some ice. And we are going to stir that in as well. Then we're going to add more ice. And then you're gonna stir it some more. And then we're gonna add a little bit more ice. Should look like this. And the last touch you need for your Jager mojitos is sparkling water. But I don't have any, so I'm using tonic water. Same effect really, just a little touch. And there you have it. 2 perfect Jager mojitos. I think I'm ready for my next drink. I'm back at the bar, it's time for another drink, and I'm gonna make a tequila shower. Tequila sour, here we go. Perfect, I have everything wait, I need limes, I don't have any. Perfect, we can get started. So once again, you're gonna roll out these limes. I mean, this should be I feel like this is a workout. Now we're ready to chop. Chop these into wedges. They don't have to be perfect because we are just going to squeeze all the juice out of these. I've never made a tequila sour before, but you know what? I'm all about trying new things. I'm going to be less of a mess, and this drink might be the key. We'll find out. Now you've got to squeeze your juice into the Boston shaker, as it's called. I don't know why. The moment I've been dreading. This ingredient needs egg whites. So, right, let's give this a crack. So I'm gonna just crack my egg, and then we're gonna, woo! I did it! Oh, I got some yolk in there. Okay, we are gonna do a take 2. Got too cocky. Yes, perfect. Oh, messy. Ooh. Now I only need about 15 mils of the egg white, so I'm just gonna try scoop in. Oh! I feel like that was perfect. Now I need to add some tequila. This is all the tequila I have left in the world. And into this cocktail it goes. Save a little bit for later. And then I'm gonna add, even though the recipe doesn't call for it, but a drizzle of honey because I like extra sweetness. And then a little drizzle of sugar syrup. Now it's time to shake it up, and I have to shake it up twice. Whoa. Into the Boston, this ice goes. I'm very nervous about this drink. Time to shake it up. I need to strain it back into here. We're going to shake it again, but dry this time, meaning with no ice. Now that's nice and foamy. Now that's perfectly shaken up. I'm going to strain it again over ice into a little tumbler. So here. Perfect. And then you, oh, I'm really excited about this one. Okay. I'm really gonna enjoy this one. Yeah, that's how you make a tequila sour. Cheers. And there you have it. All the drinks you need to have a girls' night out in. Time to call the girls. Okay, right, time to call friends. Should I? Oh. Wait, get out! Actually, forget that. You have all the drinks you need to have the perfect night in by yourself. Cheers. Till next time. Oh, that's so good.